So here we've got some hairline cracks. Obviously what we need to do is fill these cracks. First thing you saw me do is just remove any loose flaking material with a knife. And then we use the fine surface filler, which will enable us to get a nice proud situation, which once that's dry, after about 2 or 3 hours, we can rub that back and then we're ready to paint.
Cracks on the surface are repaired by filling them. The Ready Mix Filler by Sandtex is a great solution for this. Use a flexible filling knife to apply the filler, and indeed for deeper cracks you might want to build up the filler in stages.
Well, the filler's dry now, ready to rub down so as we can then paint it. It's quite simple really. So there we are, ready to paint now.